Hi, I'm Dustin Nowak, Business Development Manager in our Engineered Packaging Group at the Reynolds Company. Our Engineered Packaging Group delivers solutions for every need, from a single replacement MCC bucket to a full turnkey power distribution center and everything in between. With over 17 skilled professionals bringing in over 350 years of combined engineered equipment experience, we're committed to delivering value and support to the entire integrated power solution to our end customers, be it turnkey or executed through our OEM, SI, and EPC partners. As an authorized distributor of Rockwell Automation and a distributor partner to a broad network of industry-leading suppliers, we deliver industry-leading automation and power solutions, ensuring the right fit for your project's commercial and technical needs. Our approach is simple. We listen, we think, and we deliver. We listen carefully to understand your unique needs. We think strategically to design the most cost-effective, physically attractive, and technically compliant solution possible, and then we deliver that solution, providing results that you can rely on. We're committed to serving many different industries, such as oil and gas, chemicals, renewables, water, wastewater, mining, and many more. Our team is engaged throughout the entire project lifecycle, from the upfront specification work, the early equipment design, through the quotation and project management phase to the post-shipment support, ensuring that your project is executed smoothly, on schedule, and with reduced risk. What sets Reynolds apart is our commitment to understanding your needs, providing the right solution, delivering it with precision, every project, every time. If you would like to learn more about our Engineered Packaging Group, please reach out to your Reynolds account manager or visit us on our website at reynoldsonline.com.